To create an editable template link we want to share, first of all, we'll have to pick up the design. And this is the design I want to work with. This design houses on my YouTube thumbnail I use for my channel. You see it has 176 designs in it. I'm going to open that up. This is the design we want to share so that other people can have a copy of it and be able to edit it and have a file of it in their own Canva account. First thing I would want to do is to click on file here and make a copy of this design, which opened up into a new design. If you see here, this is the original design here, while this is a copy. So before I start working on it, I'm going to quickly name this one template of Grow with Rachel. This copy that I have here, which I've named template of Grow with Rachel, will be the one people will be able to have access to. If I'm making new changes to my original design, they will not be seeing it in this template because I made a copy of where they can have access to. So when they click on the link, this is the one they're going to have access to. So what you want to do is to click here that says share, and you see all this. What you want to do is not to share a collaboration link, so just leave this part alone. What you want to do is to come down here and click on these three dots here, and it opens up all these things you can do. If you scroll down, you see there are still more things that you will find here, so I advise you to explore this part to see what you can do with it. So what I want to do is, you see where it says template link, you click on that. Now anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Signing is required, but I won't know who has made the copy of this design. So if anyone clicks on this link, they will have a copy of this document, but I will not know who clicked on it or who doesn't click on it. So if we hit on create template link, it has created the template link. If you see here, it says template link live. If in any case you want to delete this template link, you can delete it here or rechange the template link. If you delete this template link, people that you gave the link to will not have access to this design anymore. So what you want to do is to copy it here, although it has automatically copied to our keyboard, and share it with the people you want to share this template link with. So when these people click on this link, they are going to have access to this design. Let me quickly open a new tab. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to paste this link here and click on enter on my keyboard. So you see what it says. A template created by Chinyere Rachel Algo was shared with you. Start designing. All you have to do is to scroll down. If you want to use template for new design, you just click on this and it opens it up. I will click on that so you see. Now I have access to this template, you see, because this is my Canva free account. Every element that is pro in it is going to give it these bars until if I pay for it, that's when I can now use it. If we go back to the one we are working on, what if I don't want this link? I don't want to give it out for free. I want to sell this link as a Canva template. I want to sell it on either Etsy or whichever store you feel like you want to sell. Here in Nigeria, we sell on Seller. Whichever store you're going to sell this and you don't want to share it out for people to have this link, all you have to do is this. What I'm going to do is to come over here where it says file, and I will click on create a new design, and you can choose any template of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and search for YouTube thumbnail, which opens it up into another tab. What I'm going to do is to come down here and go over to my projects. I would see the design I've been working on before. This is the template of Grow with Rachel, and this is the original file here. So I want to click on this template to open it up, and I will pick up this first page to add it to my design. I will not apply all the 176 pages. I just only want to apply this first page to my design, which is what people are going to see. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click out and I'm going to quickly click on this text. I'm going to reduce the size of this text box. Now I'll do some basic formatting. I want to copy this, and I'll group them and move them away. and bring this one up so as it can be where our hand is pointing. And I'm going to still reduce the size further. Now I'm going to click on this text and select the text by clicking Ctrl A on my keyboard. You will see this sign that comes up here that looks like link. You want to click on the sign and paste the template link you have on it. Ctrl V. You've pasted it and you click on done. Our template is linked here. We collected this first page because that is what we want to be displayed on our templates we want to sell. This is the front page we want them to see. This is what you're going to list out in wherever your platform you're using to sell these Canva templates, whether it's Seller, Etsy, whichever platform you're going to use to sell your templates. This is what they are going to be seeing when they want to buy that. I just use this one as an example. You can sell any design. You can actually put any picture you want them to be what they would see when they first meet your product. So what I want to do is to click on share and click on download. Now, we don't want to download this as a PNG. We want to click on this PNG here, or you click on this drop down and download it as either PDF standard or PDF print, whichever one is easier. But this PDF standard is best for documents and emailing, so we're just going to go with the PDF standard and we're going to click on done. I'm going to save that on my PC. This PDF is what you would upload when you have to upload a file for your shop or your listing. That's the PDF you will upload. When the person pays for the Canva templates, they now download this PDF. And once they download it and click on this link, it leads them to the product. But I'm going to do a demo here. Let me quickly open the PDF we downloaded. Let me quickly open that. I'm going to click this arrow here and I'm going to shoot it out. So now this is what they see. After paying for the digital products, this is what they see when they download the file. All they have to do is just to click on edit templates here that you're pointing to. And you see, it opened this up. A template created by me was shared with you. Start designing now. Because I am the original owner of this template, it's going to ask me edit templates here. So I have the option to edit the template or to use in a new design. But you that is going to be purchasing it, or whoever will purchase your templates, will only see the option to use template for a new design. So this is how to create an editable template that you can sell and the one you can also share free of charge. Like this video if you got value from it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.